Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Maniology water-based white peel-off base coat, Moyra stamping plate 45 I Feel You, and Maniology Poppyseed and Sunny Day. Here is the Maniology white peel-off base. This is going straight onto the nail. No other base coat is going down. I wanted to really test this out. If you want it to last longer, you can put it over a regular base coat and it will last longer. But today I just want to try it straight up on its own. Hi Woody, how you doing? All right. So here we are with the second coat of the white peel-off base coat for Maniology. It's kind of a new thing. Really excited about it. I really do like to change my manicures out pretty often, and a lot of times I am using a white or a black base, so to me these are just dreamy. So excited. Just trying to get my cleanup done as I do it. As I make the messes, I try to clean them up. So I did do 2 coats, and now I'm gonna, once it's dry, you gotta let this stuff dry, I'm gonna top it with I&Ms out the door. It's gotta be pretty dry though. I mean, I'm not talking about like wait 30 minutes or nothing. I'm just talking definitely give it some time to dry. Cap that free edge with the top coat, and there is a swatch photo on its own. Moyra stamping plate 45 I Feel You. This is one of those great plates for lead lighting. I'm using straight up black and my Maniology scraper and a Maniology what is that called? Stamper. I'm losing my mind. Alright, so I've got some sticky base coat on my nail. And now we're going to go in and scrape and pick up this image and apply it directly to the nail. And that's why I call this, you call it lead lighting, lead lighting, highlighting, I don't care what you call it. But using these other new things I'm fixing to show you, they work really well if you stamp in black, because the colors are just such that, you know, it works, and you're not like getting too all over the, you know, it doesn't cover up the black. Alright, so I'm cleaning my stamping plate, my little mat and everything off with some acetone. Got to get everything cleaned up, because I really do have to put everything away clean, or it makes me just crazy than I already am. Alright, so I'm going in with a piece of tape excuse me, and getting some of the excess up. There's not very much, just a little bit of tiny dabs here and there of excess that got onto my skin, but I do like to clean up as I go along. And it just makes it work for me better. I don't want to wait till the very end and try to clean up everything. And I really like this just black and white like this. I think it's very cute. So there's a swatch photo on that. I'm going to be using these sheer tints. This is the Rainbow Splash collection. This is the red one, and I've got the orange one out. So we got Sunny Day and the other one, oh, I forgot. Oh, and a new Maniology dotting tool. Poppyseed was the other one. So I'm just going in with the dotting tool. This came in my Mani by Me box, one of them here recently, and so I decided to go ahead and use them. And you guys know when I'm doing this kind of stuff, my hands shake so bad that it's a wonder I just hadn't given up on this technique. But I don't. I try to do the best I can. And now I'm using the brush end of this dotting tool to use the red and go in with that to fill in. I was kind of doing like zinnias, or these really I think are supposed to be like daisies. But you know, in nail polish world, you can make it whatever color you like. And that's one of the things I love about nail polish. I love that you can go outside of the box. You can go outside of the line. You can do whatever you want. Now this kind of looks like haphazardly messy, but that's okay. I liked it. And I really wanted to play with some of these sheer tints. I've got others, like I've got some OPI ones and other jelly-ish or jelly-like polishes, but I wanted to use these today to give them a rock, give them a try. So I am having to move my finger around because of the way I'm trying to brush this on. It's kind of, the petals are going in different directions, and I want to paint them in those directions. I don't know that I'm making any sense with anyone, but there's some rhyme and reason to why I'm doing it like this, because it's my way, and I think we've done okay. So alright, we've got everything painted, and I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and do a quick swipey swipe and get some of this off my skin. Get it all gone, and it cleans up so easy. I'm making it look harder than it is. I don't know why I have to do that. Alright, so I'm going to let these dry, and once they're dry, we're going to apply some smudge-free top coat, and ta-da, that part of this is done. Yay, no smearage. And once that's dry, I'm going in with I&M's out the door. This is my final glossy, quick dry top coat. And I really, really like this one. A little funky, a little different, a little wild, but I like things like that. And a little messy, which is all good. So here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. And now for the removal of the peel off white base coat. I am using my little metal tool. Don't freak out. I'm going up under and then peeling it off. That one almost came off in one whole chunk. So I want to show you, I will have a picture at the end, that I didn't have any damage from this. I'm peeling it up, kind of getting it off the side. Pop. So easy. Just got to get like a loose edge to it. And y'all see, I'm just pulling it off. And ta-da! It's gone. And zero damage. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.